welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be doing kitchen deep clean and bedroom deep clean. Let's get to today's video. It's in the evening. I just finished preparing dinner, so it was the right time to clear my plates and all that. So I'm going to be clearing my plates real quick. So for my plates I always just use bar soap or any other soap that's available. Since I use sufurias for cooking, I always love my sufurias when they are clean and shiny. So this is the perfect time to do a deep clean on my sufurias. So for my sufurias I always scrub them. I've done another kitchen deep clean when I was sick before, so right now it's the right time to do another kitchen deep clean. For my sufurias I'm just going to scrub them. I always use a steel and sunlight bar soap. Sunlight is just perfect when you're cleaning your sufurias. You don't struggle so much. So I'm going to quickly clean my sufurias until they're really shiny. I love my sufurias when they're so shiny. You tell me, when was the last time you did a kitchen deep clean and you scrubbed your sufurias until they're shiny? I know most of you now use non-stick pots, so you don't have to scrub your sufurias. So for me, I still use sufurias and I love them when they're clean and all that. So I just finished clearing my dishes. It's now time to do a deep clean on my sink. I don't really love this sink. We just moved in like a year ago and this sink was really bad when we moved in, but now it's a little better. So I'm just going to use that atta. So the atta is just a scoring powder, something like that. So I'm also going to use this thing that's kind of a steel wool and it's a scrubber. So I'm going to make like a paste on my sink with the atta scoring powder, and then I'm going to leave it overnight. So tomorrow here I am. I'm just going to use that scrubber to really clean my sink and everything else. I'm also going to clean the tile area around my kitchen. I always love it when it's really clean. I always love cleaning my sink and scrubbing it when I do deep cleans. So for the tile areas around where you're cooking, they always have soup or something on there. I'm sorry, I meant while you're cooking, there's always the tile area will always be dirty, and for me I always wipe it really well. I'm also going to be cleaning the window in my kitchen. So moving on, I'm going to be also cleaning my cabinets. I'm going to clear out everything that's in my cabinet, and I'm going to place everything in that big basin that I have right there. And then for my cabinets I always just use water and soap powder, something like that. I always just use Ariel and water and a rag to clean my cabinets. So for the cabinets, things like flour will pour on them, and it will be filthy in time if you don't clean your cabinets. So I always clean my cabinets, and if you don't clean your cabinets when it's dirty, flour and some foods on it, it will attract cockroaches, and cockroaches are really bad for your kitchen. You don't want cockroaches in your kitchen. So for this part, I'm sorry, the camera was shaky. I had to hold the camera in my hand when shooting it, and as you can see, our cabinets are now clean. And who doesn't love when our kitchen is clean, our cabinets are clean, our dishes are clean, and everything is clean? It just feels so good. I love when my kitchen is clean. I'm also going to be clearing the area around where I put my organizer. So moving on, I'm going to be removing everything that's in the lower cabinet. I'm also going to clean the lower cabinets. So for the cabinets, I always use, like I've said, Ariel powder, any soap powder that you have, and water. So I always do 2 washes, the first wash and then the second wash, that is rinsing it and something like that. So moving on, I'm going to be cleaning, after cleaning the lower cabinets, I'm just going to move on and clean my stove. And also when I do deep cleans, kitchen deep cleans or house deep cleans, I always love cleaning the wall that's in my kitchen, that wall right there, the pink wall that's right there. So for the walls, I always just use, like I've said, water and Ariel powder and a rag to wipe the walls. The walls always have some spots, especially when you're cleaning and you accidentally touch the wall with your hand and the water was dirty, so it will leave a spot right there, making the walls dirty. So for the sink area, I'm just going to wipe it with a rag so I can leave it to dry. I'm also going to clean the tile area in my kitchen. I'm going to clean my fridge. For the fridge, I'm going to be using, at times I use water and vinegar, and at times I use the Sufficient kitchen cleaner. It's called Sufficient kitchen cleaner. So that's what I always use on my fridge, outside and inside. For the inside, I'm not going to clean the inside of my fridge. I'm also going to clean my water dispenser, and I'm also going to clean the door to my kitchen. I always like when I clean my doors, when I do deep cleans. I'm going to wipe my doors, I'm going to wipe the walls, I'm going to clean the sink, I'm going to clean the cabinets, I'm going to clean the walls and everything else. So as you can see, I'm just showing you the door. I already cleaned the door to my kitchen. So we're moving to the bedroom, and that is the door to the bedroom. That glass up there, it's smoky and dusty and really dirty, you guys. I don't know when was the last time I did a whole house deep clean. I always just do quick cleaning, and I don't focus on so much. So the glass up there is smoky and dirty. I'm going to clean the glass up on my door. I'm also going to be cleaning the doors and windows and all that. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm feeling a little bit sick today. So I'm now in my bedroom. I'm just going to be spreading my bed and removing the beddings that are on it, and then I'm going to put some fresh ones. I'm also going to be decluttering the bedroom. Everything is everywhere. I'm going to put the things that are not needed to be seen or something like that. I'm going to remove the clutter that's everywhere and put them in the drawers and all that. I'm going to be cleaning the walls where there are spots and all that. I'm also going to be cleaning the window in my bedroom. So for this window, it's really hard to clean the other side of it because the other side is not attached to the window that I'm working on right now. It's not attached to my balcony, so cleaning the other side of it is always a challenge, you guys, and it's always really dirty and dusty. So for the window, I just found a way to clean the other side. I'm going to squeeze my hand after opening it and clean the other side. So tell me, when was the last time you did a whole house deep clean? You cleaned your kitchen thoroughly and you also cleaned your bedroom thoroughly. So tell me in the comment section below. So as you can see, I'm just going to be cleaning under the bed. I just finished cleaning under the bed, and under the bed was so filthy, you guys, as you've seen. So tell me, when was the last time you cleaned under your bed? Do you also use under your bed for storage? I use my under the bed for storage, and I don't always clean it often, and it's really dirty. So I'm going to use that hard broom to clean under my bed, and as you can see, I'm just showing you my walls have a really big change. I also organized my kitchen cabinets, as you can see. After they dried, my kitchen is clean, my bedroom is clean, and I'm feeling really good about it. See you in my next video.